Salman Shah's death, court orders to file murder case nearly after 30 years. EC considering 8-day deployment of law enforcers during national election. Don't put minorities in danger, Folkwil urges government. Defense begins arguments in Hasina's crimes against humanity case. No case filed 18 hours after Jubaid murder, police suspect love affair motive. Government waives special flight charges after Dhaka airport fire. Dengue, 4 more die, 942 hospitalized. Iran, Russia and China declare end of UN oversight on Tehran's nuclear issue. Bolivia elects centrist Rodrigo Paz, ending decades of socialist rule. BFF announces squad for friendlies against Thailand. Hello viewers, this is SM Sharman Jahan and you're welcome to Daily Sun. Here are today's top 10 news stories. A Dhaka court on Monday ordered the officer in charge of Ramna police station to file a murder case of renowned film actor Salman Shah and submit a probe report after investigation. Dhaka's 6th Additional Metropolitan Sessions Judge MD Jannatul Firdaus Ibn Haq passed the order after accepting a revision plea filed by the plaintiff. State Prosecutor Advocate Muhammad Habibur Rahman confirmed the information. The Election Commission EC has announced that a proposal has been made to deploy law enforcement agencies for 8 days before and after the 13th National Parliamentary Election. Law enforcement would be deployed 3 days before the election, on election day, and for 4 days afterwards, EC Senior Secretary Akhtar Ahmed told reporters following a preparatory meeting on law and order held at its headquarters in Dhaka's Agargaon this morning. BNP Secretary General Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir has urged the interim government not to put the country's minority communities in any kind of danger. He said, "Let me make it very clear to the government, especially to the law enforcement agencies, we don't want to see you putting members of our minority communities in any kind of trouble or danger. I want to say this to you very explicitly today." Fakhrul made the remarks at a press conference held at the BNP chairperson's office in Gulshan on Monday afternoon. The event was organized to mark the joining of 50 members of the Shonaton Hindu Matua community in the BNP. The defense today began placing arguments before the International Crimes Tribunal ICT1 in a case filed against 3 accused, including ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, over their alleged role in orchestrating crimes against humanity during the July-August mass uprising. Advocate MD Amir Hossain, state-appointed counsel to defend fugitives Sheikh Hasina and former Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal, is placing arguments for this high-profile client. No case has yet to be registered even 18 hours after the killing of Jagannath University student and Chhatradal leader MD Jubaid Hussain. Police initially suspect that he was murdered over a love-related issue. On Sunday night, Jubaid's blood-stained body was recovered from the staircase of a building in Armanitola, Old Dhaka. Police said his neck bore stab wounds. The government has waived the applicable charges on special flights operated in response to the disruption caused by the recent fire at the import cargo village of Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport in Dhaka. On Monday, the Ministry of Civil Aviation and Tourism sent an official letter to the chairman of the Civil Aviation Authority of Bangladesh, CAAB, instructing the authority to implement the waiver. 4 more deaths from dengue were reported in the 24 hours till Monday morning, raising the total number of deaths from the mosquito-borne disease to 249 this year. During this period, 942 more patients were hospitalized with viral fever, bringing the total number of cases to 60,791, according to the Directorate General of Health Services, DGHS. Iran, Russia and China jointly informed the United Nations on Saturday that the 2015 nuclear agreement with Tehran has officially ended, declaring the termination of the UN Security Council's consideration of Iran's nuclear issue. In a letter addressed to UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres and the Security Council, the 3 nations said that all provisions under Resolution 2231, which endorsed the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, JCPOA, expired on August 18, 2025, marking the formal conclusion of the resolution's 10-year term. Bolivia has elected a centrist senator, Rodrigo Paz, as its next president, bringing an end to nearly 20 years of continuous rule by the Movement for Socialism (MAS) party. With almost all votes counted, Paz of the Christian Democratic Party defeated right-wing candidate Jorge Tuto Corga in Sunday's runoff election with a share of 54.6%. A severe economic crisis and infighting within MAS, which has dominated Bolivian politics since 2006, saw many voters wanting change. The Bangladesh women's national football team will play 2 FIFA Tier 1 international friendlies against Thailand on October 24 and 27. BFF has announced the squad for the tour on Monday. This match serves as crucial preparation ahead of the AFC Women's Asian Cup qualifiers scheduled for 3rd March 2026 for the team coached by Peter James Butler. That's all for today. Thank you for staying with us, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Have a good night.